I'm Captain Danger, and today I'm going to be unboxing, assembling, and reviewing the Senada Archon e-bike 1000 watt. Just arrived today, going to unbox it right now. Join me on the adventure. Alright, so the box is pretty big. It did arrive with this hole in it right here. Hopefully that's going to be okay. The handhold hole ripped out. So let's open her up. Alright, here she is. It was packaged really well. The box, unfortunately, there's no way to save it. Kind of came all apart trying to get it open. But yeah, here it is. Pretty well packaged. Now we're going to start unpacking. Alright, my first impression out of the box is pretty nice. Doesn't really seem to be a whole lot to do to assemble it, so we're going to assemble it. We'll do a time lapse and check it out. Here we go. Okay, so far my impression putting it together, it's going pretty good. It's pretty easy, straightforward. I haven't had to look at the instructions at all. They come with this, I haven't opened them yet. They also provided you with all the tools you need. Came with a pretty nice multi-tool and then a kind of a wrench steely to put it all together, so you don't even really need your own tools to get it together. So let's get back at it and take it for a ride. Most of the build's done. A couple of things. The fender mount was mounted upside down from the factory, so I kind of had to tweak the bracket a little bit. The rack is kind of a hard fit. Also, the geometry wasn't quite right, so I had to bend each of the tabs right here to get it to fit. But it's in there. And the rear fender, like I said, I had to kind of customize the rear fender. I put a cable tie in here, added a couple of zip ties right here. All this wiring was kind of loose right here. So next thing, we're going to take it down, put the battery on, and kind of tighten everything up, and then I think I'm going to take it for a ride. So here we go. Well, here it is, the moment of truth. We're going to take it for a test drive. Come along. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on the key. It's got a battery indicator, shows that it's full, and then we have the control panel right here. We're going to turn that on. There it is. 5 pedal assist levels. We're going to start on the lowest one, and then you can see it increases up to 5. Has a switch for the light. There's even a horn. It's got a lockout for the forks, for lock for the highway and unlock for trail. Okay, here we go. We're starting out in pedal level assist 2. And we'll increase the gears here. My biggest takeaway is this is a lot of bike for the money. It's very fast, it's very heavy, and very big. I would say I'm 6'1", and I would say you want to be close to 6 foot to ride this thing, just to how tall it is. One thing I don't like is that when you're not pedaling, the speedometer stops working. Only works when you're pedaling. So you could be going 30 miles an hour, stop pedaling, and it shows 0. So I guess that's just the way it is. Anyways, that's pretty much for the review. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time.